What's up, everyone, and welcome to another video where we've been discussing binary option strategies, and I've been giving you some tips and so much more. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Take some time to look around at my previous videos, sort them by most popular, so you can see what videos and strategies most people are watching and learning from in their trading sessions. Consider getting started by signing up so you can also start making money like the rest of us. Now, let's get into it. First of all, let's get into the shoutouts. Here we go again, real quick. Donald did $65 as a deposit, he says, and he brought it all the way to $325 in just a few days, taking 1 to 3 trades a day. He says that works for him, and that's what he wants to do. Charisse, she went from $100 to $525 in an all-night session, she says, with the 5-second strategy and using her favorite 50 EMA indicator so she can catch those trends, and that's what she prefers to do when she trades. Ted, lastly, he went from $70 to $650 on his own set schedule where he only wants to trade Wednesday morning, which I thought was interesting, during the markets when the New York times overlap with London. So congrats to everyone. Moving on, find your daily motivation. Trading is already emotional enough, so you need to find your center when you sit down for your trading session and begin to get into looking at these candlestick setups, looking at the price movement. Find your daily motivation. I don't know about you, but this man does it for me every time.
Rich people think different. So what I'm gonna put in your head today is a rich people concept so you can get to understand it. The only difference between successful people and not is just how they think. Rich people think different.
He gives some of the best grounded motivational advice to me, I think, when he does it after his show. So Steve Harvey is really a great motivational speaker and someone to listen to get your day going. Why do you always trade in your demo account? Because I love the demo account. If you are a beginner, that is exactly where you need to start. I have preached it many, many times before, is to work that demo account. They are giving you $10,000 to play with. So you might as well use it to your advantage. And as you're looking at the strategies that I'm showing here on this channel and giving you the tips, it's the best place to practice those tips and strategies. Don't let anyone force you into going into the live account so you have to rush and immediately make money. Use the demo. That's what it's there for. Moving on. Now, today's strategy. We are going to use the Keltner channel with some new settings, and here they are. We are going to change it to 25, 30, and then 2.
Keep on walking straight to the hell we made. Why always a wall, babe, when we wanna come closer? Don't tell a million lies. Kill the butterflies. I just wanna make things right.
We are going to use an RSI, and we're going to leave it on the default settings. And again, remember the RSI has 70, 50, and 30. So when we are looking for an overbought situation, it needs to be over the 70, or at least touching. And at the top of that Keltner channel where you're looking to come down for a sell. Make sure that price is outside of the bands. When it is under the 30, you're in an oversold situation and you're looking for a buy. New settings on the Keltner is just another way to give us better guidance on getting into that better entry point. And keep in mind, if I see a double wick green, I'm taking it. Now, let's see how these trades play out.
I'ma make you mine tonight. Pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams, tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Party's never over for me. My favorite Toy Story. Bo Peep is chasing me. Woody, let me be a fantasy. Swiss Army King, they call me. Come find the key, baby, baby. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before.
And that's it. If you're still struggling, consider scheduling a coaching call. Check out the ebook so you can identify and nail those candlesticks that win, find money to trade, and learn how to grow a small account with one trade a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Tell me about your dreams, tell me